Hello students, this is Dr. Sagarika Mahanta Das. Today we will discuss advanced grammar. What is advanced grammar? It is the study of composition rules and techniques beyond the basic level. Success in studying grammar beyond the basics generally requires a solid foundation in the correct use of words, phrases, sentence clauses, and paragraphs. So this is about advanced grammar. We need to master the composition rules and techniques, and we need a solid foundation in the correct use of vocabulary, the phrases, the sentence clauses, and paragraphs. A good working knowledge of advanced grammar is considered essential for writing proficiency, regardless the subject and purpose. College level courses in this subject generally focus on the process of building consistent and clear written sentences that follow an established set of rules. To write a very correct sentence, you need to follow some rules of the sentence structure. And the study of these types of structural rules often entails exercises in correct pronoun references, sentence variety, and word choices. Learning to apply the principles of advanced grammar involves understanding the various types and structures of written communication. Language is often flexible by nature, and it can be used for many purposes, such as to narrate, to describe, to argue, and to expose. So these are the different modes of discourse. In academic writing, we follow certain mode of discourse. It can be either narrative, descriptive, argumentative, or exposition. So, and language is very flexible that we can use it in different ways for the different modes of discourse. And these writing objectives can be accomplished with the application of the rules for good word choice and style. These rules generally serve as means for unifying a group of sentences into a paragraph that clearly expresses a main idea. So this is the general introduction to the advanced grammar. Why we need to study advanced grammar? Why we need to go beyond the basics? So we now got an idea that how the knowledge of advanced grammar is going to help us in our writing proficiency and to master the language.